Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we will demonstrate how to do a cardiopulmonary resuscitation or the CPR. And friends, recently I had a chance to undergo basic life support and advanced cardiac life support, that is BLS and ACLS training. And during that, I realized that it is very crucial to give a proper CPR and high quality CPR, and that will make a difference between life and death. So, welcome to the basic life support tutorials with the hope that this video and subsequent video that we will share on this topic may save a life in future. So friends, let's give a scenario that you are waiting for your flight on a busy airport and suddenly a middle-aged man falls unconscious on the ground in front of you. The victim can be one of your relative and near or dear one. So how will you respond? So friends, this will be a step-by-step guide. We have basically demonstrated the whole technique in steps, and you have to rehearsal these steps with your friends so that all these techniques and all these steps becomes a reflex so that you will deliver a high quality CPR when needed. The first response will be assessing the situation. First, assess the situation, ensure the area is safe and both you and victim are safe. Like here I said that it is an airport, but the scenario can be different, that it can be a busy road, there can be floods or fire incidents. So you have to move the victim from unsafe area to safe area. Like you cannot start the CPR on road endangering your life too. So first move the victim to a safe area. If not, if it is safe, then check the victim's responsiveness. So for that, you have to tap on the shoulder of the this victim. Tap both the right and left shoulder by gently shaking the shoulder, like tapping the shoulder, and say, "Sir, are you okay? Sir, are you okay?" Say it loudly, and assess for the responsiveness. So you have to tap on the both the shoulder because it can be a victim of paralysis or hemiparesis, and one side may be numb. So assess by tapping on both the shoulders. If the patient is unresponsive, then this will be the second step, that you call somebody nearby that please help me, here a man has fallen on the ground and he is unconscious, not responding, he will require CPR. And also tell somebody that please call the emergency medical system, that will be 911, or in India it will be 108. And then do call, you have to say loudly that somebody please help me, here man has fallen unconscious and I need help, and call the emergency medical team. Next step will be, you check for the normal breathing or pulse if you are comfortable. Then simply for checking the breathing, you lower your face and right ear closer to the nostril of the victim. Then you can hear the breath sounds, or his breath sound will strike with your cheeks, then you can feel it. And at the same time you are looking at the chest of the patient, whether it is rising or not. And if you are comfortable, then you have to feel the pulse of the patient, the carotid, by simply sliding your finger 2 inches or 1 or 2 inches beneath the Adam's apple, and corresponding to the Adam's apple, here you will be able to feel the pulse. If you are not a basically medical attendant, or then you are not comfortable, then simply look for the breathing. And if person is not breathing or is only gasping, then start the CPR. If you are in doubt that patient may be breathing or not breathing, it is always safe to perform the CPR, because no harm will be caused for a normal person, and for a victim it may save the life. The step number 4 will be, you have to simply open the airway of the patient, and the simple trick is that you increase the distance between chin and the chest. So you tilt the patient or push the patient forehead back and lift the chin up. That will automatically open the closed airway. The 5th step will be chest compression. For that, kneel basically properly. Place the heel of your one hand on the center of the victim chest, just approximately the 2 finger breadth below the bony prominence. When you come from the abdomen to the chest, the first bony prominence felt. So 2 finger breadths above that in the center between the 2 nipples, and interlock your fingers, keep your elbows straight, lock your shoulder and elbows, and you should be directly over the patient and your shoulder at the level of the chest of the patient. Again, this is very important that you have to push hard as shown here in the video, at least 2 inches deep at a rate that is 100 to 120 compression per minute. Allow the chest to fully recoil, that will help the blood to pull in again inside the heart, and push it hard, and chest should go at least 2 inches down and it should recoil fully, and the rate should be 100 to 120 per minute. The step number 6 will be the rescue breaths. So after every 30 compression, give 2 rescue breaths. You should take 1 second only. Again, to open the airway, as I said, tilt the head back, push the forehead back basically, and tilt the chin up. Make a proper seal of around the mouth, pinch the nose, and give a quick breath approximately for 1 second. See the chest rising. Again, I mean, if you're not able to, you can reposition, but don't waste too much time. If you're not comfortable or you're not able to deliver the breath sound, rescue breath sound, just continue with the chest compression. Try to give the rescue breaths. If not, patient will survive with the residual oxygen in the blood, but the brain will become dead if you don't give the blood supply. So the chest compression is even more important. Then this cycle of 30 chest compression and 2 rescue breaths has to continue until the emergency medical team arrive or the person shows no sign of life. 1, 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
बढ़िया वापस आओ
So this is basic procedure for performing good quality, high quality CPR. Remember, quick action can save a life, but you should always strive to do a high quality CPR. And if you are interested in learning more, consider taking a certified CPR course. This video can serve as a quick guide in emergency also, like one of your friend is watching the video and giving instruction to somebody else or who's doing the CPR, so that no step is missed. So do save this video. I mean, this video should be handy somewhere in your device or in your mobile phone. This video, along with other BLS tutorials, will also be available on our app, which is actually, this app is for the Sagittanies also. But as a pocket guide, I thought it would be worthwhile that I share this video on our app also, so that it act as a pocket reference. The link to download the app is available in the description of this video. So thanks for watching, friends. Do like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for all the future updates. I hope I was able to add some new insight to your knowledge. And do remember this Nigerian proverb: in the moment of crisis, the wise builds bridges and the foolish build dams. So be the bridge that connects hope and action. Learn CPR, save lives. Thank you very much.